What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that drum fill you just heard in 2 easy steps. So first of all, that pattern, all it was a 6-stroke roll, and that pattern goes right, left, left, right, right, left. On the snare drum, it sounds like this. Okay, so the next step is I was just alternating the placement with the right hand from crash cymbal to ride cymbal on the first stroke of the 6-stroke roll. I also was adding a bass drum with that, so it wasn't sounding it so thin. It gave it a little bit of punch every time I played that downbeat. So let's see what that sounds like slow. All right, with a little bit of practice and bring it up to tempo, it'll sound like this. Okay guys, I hope you got something out of that. For more lessons like this, check out drummer101.com. I'll see you later.